So, you sign up for Upwork, you send a few proposals, and crickets. Nobody's getting back to you, and you wonder if they even bothered to read what you had to say. I know that feeling, and that's because I've been there myself as well. Hey everyone, Sylvia here. Today I'm coming at you to talk about the five mistakes you may be doing on Upwork that may be costing you money. Hopefully after today's video, you'll know exactly what to do and what not to do in order to get your proposals accepted on Upwork time after time. Mistake number one, you're not putting in the effort to start. Here's the thing. Upwork is not this get-rich-quick thing. It does require you to put in some effort at the start in order to then reap the benefits of your work. Some freelancers, though, feel like, hey, I'm just trying this out to see if it works, so I'll just quickly write 1 or 2 sentences on my profile and send a few quick proposals and see how it works. While you may feel like you're saving time with this quick test approach, you're actually wasting that time because without the right effort, clients will see right through that and not even give you the time of day. In order to avoid making this mistake, I highly recommend you block off 1 or 2 hours in your calendar this week to really hone in on your profile and make it perfect. It's also a good idea to research other profiles from successful freelancers in your industry, get inspired, and then apply some of the things that you learn to your own profile. I actually have a free class all about this. I'll link it in the description where you can take it for free. On to mistake number 2, you're treating it as a numbers game. A lot of people make the mistake of sending 50 proposals a day in hopes that at least one of them will pick up. This is, once again, an attempt to save time and broaden your horizons when in reality, you're only doing a disservice to yourself. Instead of doing that, you should be focusing on quality over quantity. Taking the time to look for the best jobs to suit your skills and interests instead of just sending a proposal to every single job that you see on your home feed. Now, on to mistake number 3. You're not reading the job post carefully. I mean, obviously, if you're sending tons of proposals each day, it's really hard to look at them, each of them, with the attention that they deserve, right? Like, you can't possibly pay attention to 50 job posts a day. I understand. But if you're following my advice and submitting fewer yet better proposals each time that you log onto the platform, you'll have more time to dedicate to each and every one of them. I highly recommend you have a thorough look at the job post that you're applying for. Look for any red flags, do your homework on the client or company if you can find their info, and then use that knowledge to make you stand out. Which leads me to my next point. Mistake number 4, you're copy and pasting your proposals. I mean, if you're doing this, please stop right now. This is a big no-no, and the main reason why I will never offer a proposal template, no matter how many people ask me for it. It goes hand in hand with reading the job post carefully, but think about it. If you, the freelancer who's the person interested in this job post, won't even bother sending a carefully crafted proposal, what makes you think that the client will bother reading your proposal? That just doesn't make any sense to me, and I know clients can spot a copy-pasted general AF proposal from miles away. So just don't do that. If you're having a bad day or a busy week and you can send a carefully crafted proposal, just don't. And mistake number 5, you're making it all about you. Let's do a little role playing here, shall we? Imagine that you're the client. You own an apparel company, you're super busy, and you're running around all day getting things done for your business. So essentially, you're looking for a freelancer to ease the workload. So you log on to Upwork, you post your job, and you start receiving all these proposals that sound like, hey client, I'm Sylvia, and I am a very good social media manager. I've worked with 50 clients and created over 100 posts for Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. I have a degree in marketing and I'm very smart and a good worker. Please hire me, you won't regret it. I don't know about you, but I'd mentally log off halfway through that. But what if instead you got something like, "Hey Sam, my name is Sylvia, nice to meet you. I'm a social media manager from Portugal and would love to help you out with your Instagram organic content. I see you work in the apparel industry. I had a look at your website and really enjoyed the fun vibes. I'm sure we could create some great content together. I also took the liberty to look at your current Instagram page and decided to record a quick video with some of my thoughts about it. I'd love to know more about your goals for this partnership, as well as a bit more about your brand values and vision. Maybe we can have a quick chat sometime soon. Looking forward to hearing from you." Now, as the client, which one do you think you'd rather work with? The one that lists out all the good things about them, or the one that shows that they actually read the job post, that they're interested, and that they care about your business? Pause the video and let me know in the comments. I'll wait. Okay, I don't know about you, but personally, I would much rather work with a second freelancer. So, moral of the story, don't try to hack the system with some quick fixes. Don't try to copy and paste your way to success on Upwork. And please, if you take anything from this video at all, that is to put your client first. Okay? Okay, let's make a pact. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions or any requests, feel free to leave those down in the comments or shoot me a DM on Instagram. I'm always happy to help. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on my next one. I talk all about Upwork and freelancing, so you don't want to miss out on my next one. Bye! You're not putting... What the what was that? And what was that sound? I'll look what